am showing you the GAA football is because we entered the DJI competition. It was a while back. We didn't win, but anyway, it's not the point. It's just being part of it. It was great fun. So one of our friends gave us permission to kind of capture some of the moments of the match. And let me just explain you what this is a sport about. GAA, or Gaelic Athletic Association, is a Irish international amateur sporting and cultural organisation focused primarily on promoting indigenous Gaelic games, which includes traditional sports like hurling, camogie, handball and rounders. I've never seen a rounder. It also promotes Irish music and dance and the Irish language. In a nutshell, that's what it is about. How hard can it be? If it goes in the bottom, it's 3 points. If it goes over the bar, 1 point. Here we go. Oh! That would be a miss. Oh! No. Whoa! So imagine the drone is going to be the ball. Back to our flying. Okay, Buzzy, play around us that way.
Okay.
High five. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye.
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 Bye. Enjoy. Now, that's taken care of now. Let me tell you what we get up to this weekend. So I went to County Waterford, Mahon Falls. 2 hours drive. Mahon Falls in County Waterford, and it is just an amazing place. Now it took us, we got up early at crack of dawn, drove through passed through the motorways, and so finally made it. Perfect, beautiful. So I can't reach all the way up the top, it's just 120, that's as far as I could get, and it's not on top of or above the mountain, so very high up here. The River Mahon flows from Comara Mountains in County Waterford, falling down the 80-metre Mahon Falls and proceeding past by the fairy bush, which is now chopped down unfortunately. The river then passes through the village of Mahon Bridge and on past Flahavan's Mill. In former times, the river powered 5 different mills. There's been no known source to sea descent to date, but the river has been paddled from Mahon Bridge to the sea by an international team of kayakers in August 2012. In October 2005, there was one kayaker from Chamorro, County Waterford, who performed the only known descent in a kayak of the vertical 55-foot drop at the top of the Mahon Falls. Morning.
Good morning.
This bit here will be good for turf.
Yeah. I'll be good for turf.
Right, so come on, push that rock. Thumbs up. Go on, do it. Go on. You can do it. Go on, you can do it. Up the hill. Go on. Is the bag heavy?
It's actually heavy enough.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I suppose because you're going up the top of the mountain. Look. So now let's go to the comment section. Does it get any lag on the display when flying with the DJI Mavic Pro? That's when I'm flying with my tablet. Never. I want to prick your brains as to what your camera settings are, and I will include in my video what my settings are. Is it always windy along the coastline? Always. I'd love to Google map the places you fly over to know the place a little bit better. Okay, in this one I will definitely include the place on the map. There we go. Where are we going, Mr. Beautiful, beautiful piloting.